Most people sign up for Walmart and never realize they are leaving one of the best perks completely unused. That's money and entertainment sitting right there, untouched. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Walmart Peacock benefit is one of the easiest ways to get extra streaming value without paying separately, but only if you actually set it up correctly. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how the Walmart Peacock benefit works in 2026, how to activate it step by step, and the common mistakes that stop people from getting access even after they've paid for it. Let's start simple. Walmart is a membership service that gives perks like free delivery, fuel discounts, and streaming benefits. One of those streaming perks is access to Peacock's subscription offer. Peacock is a streaming platform owned by NBCUniversal that includes movies, shows, and live sports. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users assume Peacock is automatically included. It is not. You still have to activate it manually through your Walmart account. That is where most people go wrong. Step 1 is logging into your Walmart account. Use the same email you used when you signed up. Once inside, go to the membership benefits section. This is where all perks are listed in one place. Step 2 is finding the streaming or entertainment section. You will see an option for Peacock. Click on it. At this point, you will be redirected to activate the offer through Peacock's website. But here's the problem. If you are not signed in with the correct email, the system will not recognize your Walmart membership. That is the number one reason people think the benefit is not working. Step 3 is creating or linking your Peacock account. If you already have one, just sign in. If not, create a new account using the same email. Then confirm activation. Once done, your Peacock access should unlock based on the current Walmart offer terms. Now here's a smart tip most people miss. Always check your subscription tier inside Peacock after activation. Sometimes the plan defaults to a basic level, and you may need to refresh or relink your account to ensure full access. Another important thing to know is timing. Offers can change depending on promotions, so always verify what your current Walmart plan includes before assuming anything. If you are using this on mobile, the Walmart app makes it even easier. Just go to the Membership tab, tap Benefits, and follow the same steps. Once everything is set up correctly, you can stream directly on Peacock without paying separately for the subscription. That's the real value of stacking services instead of buying them individually. So to wrap it up, log in, find the Peacock benefit, activate it through the correct email, and confirm your subscription status. That's it. No complicated setup, just a few simple steps if done correctly. If this helped you unlock your benefit, like the video, drop a comment if you ran into issues, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.